If you're interested in learning how to tune rotary engines, then this course is going to be perfect for you. Rotary engine tuning has traditionally been shrouded in mystery and confusion, which can make it hard for you to sort fact from fiction, particularly if you're new to the rotary platform. This rotary tuning worked example cuts through that confusion to show you that there's no magic when it comes to rotary tuning, and it gives you the knowledge and skills you'll need to get solid and reliable performance from any rotary engine. In particular, you'll learn about the unique aspects of rotary engines, such as the leading and trailing spark, and how the trailing split table affects engine performance. You'll learn how the rotary engine responds to ignition timing and how it affects the engine power. You'll then learn how to optimize the ignition timing safely without the risk of engine damage. You'll also learn what sort of air-fuel ratios the rotary engine needs to remain reliable and how this will affect aspects such as the exhaust gas temperature. We'll also cover how the staged injection system should be configured. Our Practical Standalone Tuning course is a universal course that's perfect for anyone who wants to learn how to tune an aftermarket standalone ECU on any engine type. For the rotary enthusiasts, we include a complete worked example on an FDRX7 running a 400 wheel horsepower turbocharged 13B engine. This will show you how to apply the HPA 10-step tuning process on the rotary. This 10-step process means that each step is relatively quick and easy to complete, and in no time you've got a completely tuned engine that's offering optimum power, optimum torque, but most importantly, great engine reliability. You'll learn how to set up the trigger inputs to the ECU and how to confirm the ECU is receiving the correct information. You'll also learn how to correctly configure and test any sensors you've connected to ensure that they're reading correctly. Then you'll learn how to set up all of the ECU outputs and test them to make sure that your ignition coils, injectors, and any auxiliary outputs are wired and operating properly. From here, we'll jump into the tuning process and you'll learn how to navigate the tuning software. You'll learn how to set up your fuel and ignition tables, and you'll learn how to use logging functionality to help speed up your tuning and to be pinpoint accurate when you're making your calibration changes. Lastly, you'll learn how to confirm your tune out on the road or the racetrack to make sure that everything we saw on the dyno remains accurate under real-world conditions. While we've presented this worked example using the Adaptrontic modular ECU, the process is identical regardless which ECU you're personally tuning. Click the link for more information.